So I'm out here. It's supposed to get to like 8 inches. We're probably at about 5 now, but it's super pretty. I had to add some pine to the chicken coop because I don't want them to freeze. The greenhouse. We go ahead and go. Right. Okay, you guys. So I'm finally out. It's actually being snow. I love the snow. So it's all good. But let's see if our plants love the snow. So as you can see, I had put containers over everything when I started really thinking that we were expecting stuff, and it looks like everything did freeze. So I'm gonna get some blankets put over my food. Everything is frozen, but not dead. Like, this is a rock. It is literally like hard as a rock. So what I'm gonna do, I have like these blanket warmers that I can put over like cups. Some things are just inevitable with gardening, but that's okay. It is what it is. But the good thing is everything is intact, so I just have to go through a thawing period. You guys look. So I think we need to put a stick in that because it's starting to go crazy. Must have been there. I need to find a stick. You need to get a stick to help the mustard greens grow up. Here. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I've been noticing sometimes when plants start to grow, they just need a little bit of assistance to grow where you want it to grow, which I keep a lot of sticks around to assist with that. And so that's fine. So I'm just gonna put that in there. Give it some direction to help it grow up. But as you guys can see, we haven't lost anything. Everything is just like completely frozen. So, I mean, the clear containers helped a little bit, but because temperatures are so low, they didn't help. Like, there's a point of, there comes a point where it can only do so much, so that's okay. So we're not gonna do too much today. There's not much for us to do in a snowstorm. We're just gonna relax and wait. I haven't had the lights on. I actually just turned those lights on because it was snowing so hard that there was kind of no point in turning those lights on. I didn't want to waste energy. So There's our little baby lettuce. Yeah. And yeah, so we haven't lost any crops. So I'm gonna take that over here. So one of the things I have learned to do with gardening is you do have to count your wins, because you're gonna have a lot of losses. You guys, the snow is like falling off the greenhouse. It's hilarious. So you're gonna have lots of losses, and that's okay. That's actually just life. You'll have lots of losses, and sometimes you forget to count your wins. So don't forget to count your wins. But yeah, so that's it. Let's check the nursery. Let's check the nursery out here. And then like I planted a bunch of lettuce, and it's kind of a bummer because it was right before the snow came that I was gonna put them outside, and then all the snow came, and so they're just, I don't know if they're gonna make it. Okay, so those are doing great, guys. Look. So yeah. So this one on this end seems to be, they're still frozen, but they look great. So count that as a win. So yeah, everything is frozen. Everything did freeze. What is everybody working on? Is it snow in your area? It's definitely lots of snow here. I will keep you guys posted with an update once the snow thaws out. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.